Hello and once again welcome to part 2 of our FPFF video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel till yet, please do subscribe and like this video as well. For new viewers who haven't watched our part 1, you can find the link in the description box below. And if I have answered any questions incorrectly, I will update the correct answer in the description box. So please do have a look in the description box and let's get started. So we will start with question number 31. As you can see on the screen, question number 31. To operate the fire extinguisher, the acronym PASS is often used to help us remember to. So the correct answer is A. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle and sweep at the base of the fire. Question number 32. What is the important characteristic of the extinguishing agent in fighting a class C fire? So for the class C fire, it's C, electrical non-conductivity. Question number 33. Automatic CO2 release system is for which space? None of the above. Question number 34. Portable fire extinguisher is designed to put out dash effectively. Portable extinguisher is for small fire. So A. Question number 35. The extinguishing agent most effective for combating wood fire is, so for wood, it's C, water. Question number 36. The fire plan tells what action to take in emergency situation by, so the answer is B, the shore fireman. Question number 37. Quick closing valve can be operated from a remote location? Yes, true. Question number 38. Fixed foam firefighting system is used in which type of vessel? It's on tanker vessel, oil tanker. Question number 39. Breathing apparatus is filled with oxygen. False. Question number 40. What do the words spontaneously combustion means? So the correct answer for this is D. So the answer is D. The substance can catch fire by itself without an external source of heat or ignition. Question number 41. The letter A, B and C marked on portable fire extinguisher represents what? So it represents type of fire on which it can be used. Question number 42. When using portable foam extinguisher in oil pool fire, the stream is directed. So the answer is C, against a vertical section on the fire pool. Question number 43. SCBA bottle duration for 1200 liter is, so the duration is 30 minutes. Question number 44. What type of release is allowed for fixed gas fire extinguishing installation on board? So for the fixed thing, it's always a manually operated release system. Question number 45. Class C type fire extinguisher is best used on, the correct answer is electrical. Question number 46. The best way to combat an engine room bilge fire is through the use of, so the correct answer is B, foam extinguisher and low velocity. So the correct answer is B, foam extinguisher and low velocity water fog. Question number 47. What is lower flammable limit? So the answer is the concentration of hydrocarbon gases in air below which there is insufficient hydrocarbon to support combustion. So the answer is A. Question number 48. Class K fire involves high fatty oil. True. Question number 49. An exit route of three parts: exit, access, exit and exit discharge. So the answer is true. Question number 50. What is the range of expansion ratio for high expansion foam? So it's 1000 is to 1. Question number 51. Foam tends to extinguish fire by, so it smoothing the burning material or smoothing or oxygen exclusion. Options can be anything. That's why I have written or and I have given just smoothing or oxygen exclusion. Question number 52. Emergency fire pump is located in the engine room. False. Question number 53. Which part is included to the fire triangle to extend it to the fire tetrahedron? So it's chain reaction. So again chain reaction, or you can get the option as molecular chain reaction. Question number 54. Question number 54. Hazards in accommodation. So hazards in accommodation is, so here the answer is all of the options. Question number 55. A self-contained breathing apparatus. It is used for entry in enclosed space. Question number 56. Fire alarm is, its continuous ringing of ship's bell. Question number 57. Carbon dioxide as a firefighting agent has which advantage over other agent? So the correct answer is it causes minimum damage. Question number 58. Metal fire is classified as class C fire. It's false. Question number 59. Fire patrol to be maintained on passenger vessel carrying more than 36 passengers. So the answer is true. Question number 60. In the event of an uncontrolled fire in your vicinity, your first course of action should be, so the first thing what you need to do is activate the alarm. Question number 61. Class B fire division have the insulation such that the average temperature raise in the unexposed side will be not more than 140 degrees Celsius within the time. So the answer is true. Question number 62. The mass of all portable fire extinguisher shall not exceed 13 kg. False. It's 23 kg. Question number 63. Which type of extinguisher is hard or dangerous to recharge on board? CO2. Rest water type, foam and DCP we can recharge on board. Only CO2 is what we cannot recharge. Question number 64. What type of fire extinguisher should you use in order to extinguish a fire caused by solid materials such as wood, paper or textile? So again, water. Question number 65. Electrical switchboard fire with power on, what type of extinguisher to be used? In that case, carbon dioxide. Question number 66. Removal of heat stops fire by, so it's by cooling. Question number 67. What type of fire extinguisher should be used to douse a fuel-based fire? So it's foam, because you need to extinguish the fire which is having a fuel. So fuel, then foam. Question number 68. What is the best method for extinguishing fire of escaping liquefied flammable gas? So the correct answer is stopping the flow of the gas. Question number 69. To prevent the spread of fire by convection, you should, so the answer is close all opening to the area. Question number 70. Class C fire extinguisher are used to put out combustible metal and metal alloy fires. So the correct answer is false. Okay friends, I will stop the part 2 video here and will continue from question number 71 in part 3. Links for all of our FPFF video is given in the description box below. Friends, before moving to part 3, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you in part 3.